go. First reserve raid, man. I haven't played this since I first started the game.
I've not played this, period.
Hey, we're not downstairs.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go straight up and see what's up here.
Go for it.
I don't know where I am.
Me neither, dude.
Oh, do you need weapons parts? I thought you needed weapons parts for something.
No, we're not doing the things anymore. So I'm just selling shit now.
Oh, okay. Well, weapons parts sell for good.
I'm just playing to memorize maps, get familiar with them, kill people, get better. Actually, we're right below.
The dome place.
Yeah, so we're probably something night garage, maybe? Is there another garage right next to us? No?
Well, where do you want to go?
Well, if we go on the other side of this building... We're at that place right by sewer manhole.
Ooh. That's different.
Yeah.
What are the building names? Like Night Queen and Pawn or something like that?
I mean, it looks like there's chest things.
Yeah, there are.
Where are all the fucking bots and shit?
Yeah, man, I just heard a voice line.
Are they in the building?
They might be.
Right below, I see him. No one on the backside. Where are we going? Really?
Up. You walked right up here.
You just got jammed.
Oh, fucking jam. Oh, wrong
You
button.
need to get rid of that gun.
Yep. What the hell? Oh. Where'd he go? Did he run in the building? Oh, I see you.
I don't know where you're finding people.
There was one right in here, but I don't know where he went. I hear him.
In where?
Right in front in this tree line.
Well, there's only one way to find out.
Yep. Oh, coming down.
Well, that did it.
That made him move. Alright, well.
Oh my gosh, I hear a lot of people.
A lot? Where
Yeah,
are
I
you?
heard a scav and a PMC over here somewhere.
Oh, you're downstairs?
Yeah.
Oh, one on the roof across from you.
That was a PMC, I think.
You good?
Yeah. There's more.
Following up behind you.
There's more. I keep saying there's more. You go.
Me?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'll watch long. It's to our right. Or left, sorry. He might be upstairs. He is. Jesus. Clearing house.
Yeah, seriously.
That guy on top of that other building, I think was a PMC. He had a USAC hat on, so it
Alright, we can take a look.
looked fishy. There's more PMCs out here. I hear English.
Yeah.
See? See?
Where at? You alright?
Yep.
Alright, I'm on the roof where we shot that other guy.
Okay.
Oh, he was already looted.
Yeah, I think this guy
You
that I
got him.
killed looted him.
Yeah. You got him, though.
Okay, I'm coming up. I'm looting the PMC right now.
Doesn't really have anything on him. We can take his guns at least.
Parkour!
Oh, no. Oh, damn it.
What'd you do?
I fell off the roof. I thought I was going to climb on the railing, but my guy decided to hop over the whole damn thing. Come here. Hey, where you at?
I'm coming to you. Yeah. It's me. I hear you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think there's another one around somewhere.
That would be a yes.
Outside somewhere. Where the hell is this guy shooting me from over here?
Grenade.
He's right on. No, he's right on the other side of the wall.
Oh.
He flipped you off right before I killed him. You got him? I just ran out because I heard the footsteps.
I need to go on the roof and look at my guy. Whoa.
Oh, there he is.
How do I get to the roof?
Go up the stairs, dude.
Yeah, I found him.
Just don't jump the railing like I did. I think somebody's right here. Gotcha, bitch.
Train's here.
Oh,
You wanna go catch it?
you can if you want. I don't care.
I don't know where the other things are, to be honest.
I mean, I just gotta figure out where I am on the map, which I know where I'm at now. Cliff descents up by the thing. Sewer manhole.
Sewer manhole, you have to...
It's right at the end of this alleyway over here.
Yeah, I think you have to take off your backpack for that one.
Armored train. I mean, we can go to armored train if you want real quick and just get out.
It's up to you. I'm already heavy.
Alright, well, let's just get out. I don't care.
Well, if we can make it there in time. I don't know how long we have.
Oh, yeah. Are you on here?
I can't get on it.
Just walk right in.
It won't let me.
Try to find another one. It's got 13 seconds. Just jump in.
It won't let me. It won't let me on. Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Oh,
Wait, why isn't it leaving?
We have to wait for it.
I thought it said 13 seconds.
No, we have to wait on it to leave.
We didn't have to hit a button or nothing, right?
No, we just wait on it to leave.
Huh. Yeah, is this thing ever gonna leave? Does it just leave at the end of the game or something? Are we in the right train?
Yeah, we're in the right train.
You sure about that?
Yeah, because it says wait for train to depart.
I wish they would just have stupid, regular building names instead of chess symbols.
It's
There we
leaving.
go.
Man, we came up really early.
I thought it was just gonna leave once we got on it.
Yeah.
Whoops. Well, see, this is why we're finding this shit out now.
Yeah, so really we have like 2 or 3 minutes to get there once the train gets there.
I feel like we have like 4 minutes, bro. 5 minutes. On the armored train, notes, arrives between 25 and 30 minutes into raid, 20 to 10 minutes left, stays for 7 minutes, honks twice on arrival, honks once 1 minute before departure, honks twice just before the closed doors, or the doors close.
Yeah.
So technically, we could have kept looting really close, and then once we heard that one honk, get on it right away.
You said 13 seconds and had me stressing.
Dude, well, right when I got on it, it said 13 at the top of the screen, and I was like, oh shit, it's gonna leave at 13 seconds.